Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this first move up, the 5 waves up, is a wave A. I think this right here is an A, B, C of wave B, which should take it down below the low of wave 4, potentially before it makes another push up for the bigger wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think that this 5 waves over here is what really gives it away. Plus the fact that it made 1, 2, 3 waves up. Definitely looks like an A. It looks like a B, and it looks like we potentially are going down for a wave C of wave B, which, like I said, should have it taking out both of these previous lows. So keeping all that in mind because it's extremely important no matter what time frame you're trading on. Let's take it down to the daily. On the daily time frame, ever since we broke structure several weeks ago to the downside, I would have been doing nothing but looking for shorts on sort of time frames. Very strong move to the downside. There's no proof that it's over yet. No break of structure to the upside. No higher low. No reason at all to think this first push down is over yet. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 waves up. I'm looking for impulsive down at any one of these Fibonacci levels. When I do see something like that, I definitely will take it as a short. If it goes up and breaks structure, then yeah, maybe you could turn into a buyer at that point, but I definitely still think that the safer, better entries are going to be looking for shorts at the end of all pullbacks you see. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, it could be the end of a crescent already. I'm honestly not really convinced it is, but it definitely could be. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up like a wave A. To me, this looks like a downtrend, which is kind of what throws you off a little bit. It kind of looks like an A. It looks like a wave B. Kind of looks like we might drift down a little bit, but it might just be a wave C of B. Then probably go up to make a higher push up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels for a wave C. Then from there, that's probably where you're going to be trying to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. But like I often say, sometimes what you think is a wave B will just keep on drifting down. So just keep in mind that the trend is down on basically every single higher time frame, and the trend is your friend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.